In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your mouse not working in Battlefield RedSec on your PS5 or Xbox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you gotta do is just go over to your settings. There's two things that you're gonna have to do. So the first thing is when you're in your settings, go to mouse and keyboard. Now when you're in here, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down. You're gonna see mouse raw input. Make sure this is toggled on so that your mouse is working properly. But if for some reason you're still finding that your mouse isn't working properly, this is because your controller is kind of interfering, so the game doesn't really know what to select out of your controller and keyboard and mouse. So this especially happens if you have stick drift on your controller. Again, whether you're on PS5 or Xbox, it doesn't matter. So now all you want to do is just go ahead and turn off your controller after your keyboard and mouse is already connected. So on PlayStation, I just go to the menu by pressing the PlayStation button, go to accessories, choose your controller, and then just press turn off right there. Then your keyboard and mouse, when you go back to Battlefield, it should work a lot more properly. But if you don't if you don't want to use your keyboard and mouse straight from this point, like if it doesn't let you escape, all you got to do to turn it off while you're still in game is literally just hold down your PlayStation button on your controller. Then it's going to automatically disconnect, and then you'll still be in the Battlefield menu, and then you'll be able to use your keyboard and mouse. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.